Ganyan lang po sa mga baba. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to Aqua Planet, the biggest water theme park in the Philippines. Located ito sa Clark Freeport, Pampanga. Online kami nag-book kaya medyo napabilis ang proseso ng entry tickets namin. Cashless facility ang Aqua Planet. Bibigyan kanila ng RFID wristband that serves as your e-wallet. Bawal ang food and water sa loob. Kaya make sure to load up your RFID wristband to purchase food and water inside. Sa loob may designated family changing room. And you can also rent a locker para sa mga valuable things ninyo. The park is 10 hectares wide na may iba-ibang slide attractions. First up is Flow Rider. It is a simulated surfing attraction na para ka na rin nag-surf sa dagat but in a controlled area. Let's go! Next naman natin ang spiral slide. A 4-tube slide attraction na may curved spiral turns. Ito ang pinakauna nating slide of the day. Tara, subukan natin!
I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance.
Sobrang saya ng spiral slide. Nagpa-pump in na ang adrenaline namin. Tara, subukan naman natin ang octopus racers. Napaka-vibrant ng color ng slides dito. And this is a 6 side-by-side racetrack slide. Nakadapa nga lang tayo dito, head first. Exciting! Let's go! Next naman natin is Hurricane. Ito ay mas extreme version ng spiral slide kanina. Twist and bends, either slow or fast course daw ang ganap dito. Let's go!
Muntik na ako na yung matay.
Adrenaline is keep on pumping, kaya let's get more intense. Next is tornado. One of the extreme attraction dito sa Aqua Planet ang tornado. Ito ay may sudden 45-degree drop sa isang gigantic funnel that will give you the thrill na para kang nasa malaking tornado. Good luck sa amin! Pagkatapos ng intense rides, ay nakaramdam din ng pagod at gutom. Maraming food outlets dito sa loob. At marami ding menu na pwedeng pagpilian. You can purchase using your RFID wristband. So make sure to load up sa mga designated loading stations. May mga kiddie pool din dito for your kids to enjoy. And big wave pool for us also to enjoy. May big screen sa mga wave pool and DJ for the trendy musics. Na nag-swimming ka na nga, nagpa-party ka pa. They also have a wave river that will take you to a relaxing tour around the Aqua Planet. At ito na nga, let's continue the adrenaline. Next is the Aqua Loop, the most extreme ride here in Aqua Planet, with 100-meter free-fall slide down in a standing position. Naku po! Na hindi mo akalain na nagawa mo. Naku. Next is Sky Shuttle. A quick slide going up and a weightless feeling sliding going down. Tara, subukan natin to. Sakit sa leeg nito. Next is Super Bowl, the last ride of the day. Again, a 4-person rough slide na parang flash ka lang sa toilet.
Basic. Let's go guys.
They also have a souvenir shop for you to buy their merch. This experience is very memorable and extreme. Ika nga, if it scares you, it might be a good thing to try. Until our next vlog,